Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today in this video we will be learning the multiplication tables from 1 to 10. Let's get started. Let's begin multiplication table for 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 fives are 5, 1 six are 6, 1 six are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, 1 nines are 9, 1 tens are 10, 1 tens are 10. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 six are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, 1 tens are 10. Let's begin multiplication table for 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20, 2 tens are 20, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Let's begin multiplication table for 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, 3 tens are 30, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Now let's begin multiplication table for 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40, 4 tens are 40, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Now let's begin multiplication table for 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 tens are 50. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Let's begin multiplication table for 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60, 6 tens are 60. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Let's begin multiplication table for 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70, 7 tens are 70. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Now let's begin multiplication table for 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80, 8 10s are 80, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80. Now let's begin multiplication table for 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90, 9 tens are 90. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Let's begin multiplication table for 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100, 10 tens are 100. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Thank you for joining us. I hope you had a great time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.